Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete watch history on Instagram. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Instagram. Now go ahead over to your profile. Once done, go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. And then after that, we need to go ahead over to the tab called How You Use Instagram section. Right here, okay? Below Account Center, How You Use Instagram. So, once you've found it, go ahead and tap on Your Activity. Tap on it. And then once done, just basically find Watch History. Alright, scroll down, all the way down, right here. Tap on it. And then once you're in here, just basically tap on Select at the very top. Now go ahead and tap on the boxes, okay, next to the reels or videos you wanted to clear. Alright. Now, if you don't like this feature, just like, for example, tap on Remove. Now, if you don't like this feature, just like picking one by one, you can try to go ahead and use the bulk clear option. But this is only available for some accounts, and depending on your regional interface or account update version, you may have a bulk clear option. Now, inside our Your Activity section, this one, okay, again, under here, below Account Center, Your Activity, go and find videos you've watched. Okay, so as you can see here, I don't have that option as well. But if you have it, well, just basically tap on it and then confirm to clear the watch history permanently. Now, again, if you don't have that option, just keep using the select option right here. Okay, delete everything that needs to be deleted. And then once that's done, just click on Remove right here. You can go ahead and filter it out, by the way. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is how you delete watch history on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.